This is another in my 30 basic homesteading skills everyone should have series. Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks. Hi, today on our cheese making series, I have an unboxing. I have gotten this at my local corner Amish / Mennonite grocery. And it is a cheese making kit, and it goes along with the book I have reviewed for you. I'll leave a link. I want to get around and start making cheese. So in here, in this one, it has the cheese salt. It has citric acid. It has rennet tablets. I bought a liquid rennet, and I can't find it today. And I'm like, what did I do with it? I may have really goofed. It has a thermometer, which is the whole reason I bought the kit, because I did not have a thermometer. And it comes really well protected here. Cheesecloth, and then instructions. So I got this kit for $32.79. It's a great starter kit. It has everything I needed to go along with my book to get started, especially the thermometer. And that was the whole reason I bought it for, was the thermometer. And then it has rennet tablets. I don't know if I mentioned those. But I bought the liquid rennet too. We'll have to figure out where I put that. I have cheesecloth in here for straining as well. So that's really nice. So I am now ready to start making cheese. And I'm very excited. This is something I've not done a whole lot of. I've done a little bit of cottage cheese and a little bit of farmer's cheese with my mom, but I haven't made any of the hard cheeses. And I'd like to really learn how to make some of the cheeses that I actually eat, because the other ones I just mentioned, I'm not a big fan of. But I do love ricotta. I do love mozzarella. And so I'm excited to be able to make those. Let's see what this book is like. I really have not opened this. I waited until, and I know that you can order this on Amazon as well. I will put the link in the description. Ricky's mozzarella and ricotta kit, the cheese making queen. It tells you to pasteurize your raw milk, which I'll probably be buying pasteurized milk, unfortunately. I'd rather have raw milk. I'm a fan of raw milk. All right. So it has all the instructions to make mozzarella. I think mozzarella will probably be my first choice, because I know it's an easy cheese to make, and I need to start out practicing, because it's been many years since I've done any of this. So there's the microwave method and the water bath method. So we'll have to check those out. So, and then it has mozzarella made with dry milk and whole milk ricotta. And it has some recipes. It has lasagna recipes, prosciutto and cheese calzones. I haven't made calzones in so long. I need to do that. Pizza dough, making it with the whey. Yeah, save your whey. Lots of things you can do with whey. I always save the whey. I freeze it and then use it in place of water in any of my baking recipes. grilled Napoleons, roasted red pepper sauce, Italian feather bread made with rye. Ooh, Italian bread sounds good. Little boccioni, boccioni. I am not good with Italian. Okay, little mozzarella balls. Let's just say little mozzarella balls. Then you can store them in olive oil. Mozzarella and tomatoes. So some really good little recipes in here. I'm really excited. Like I said, I've reviewed this book. I've had it for a while, but I didn't have a thermometer. You know, it's just like, you just need one thing. I just need one thing to go with this to make it started. So there you have it. Step 2 in my cheese making journey. I have found the kit that has the thermometer and all of the sample size of accessories I'll need, like the citric acid, which I actually had some of that, but the canning, you know, the cheese making salt and things like that. So, and the right weight of gauze for straining it. So, all right, I am now ready for phase 3. This is phase 2, get the thermometer. Phase 3 of cheese making, go buy some milk and start making. So I'll be back with you in another video, but I thought you'd appreciate the unboxing of my kit, and I will make sure that I post a link for this from Amazon for you. Thank you and have a great day, Rebel Canners. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can see the rest of the videos in this series. Thank you and have a great day.